Welcome to SIVASAKTHI's YouTube channel.
Hey everyone, what's up? It's your friend from SIVASAKTHI school, excited to bring you some seriously cool science experiments you can try right at home. You know, science is all around us, and it's way more fun than just textbooks. We're about to unlock the magic of science with some simple ingredients. Get ready to be amazed because things are about to get explosive, invisible, and maybe even a little bit slimy. Are you ready to unleash your inner scientist? Let's jump right in. Alright guys. For our first experiment, we're going full-on mad scientist with a baking soda and vinegar volcano. Remember, safety first. Always have an adult nearby when you're doing any experiment. Okay, so first, you're gonna need some baking soda. That's our secret weapon for this explosive experiment. Now, carefully pour some vinegar into the volcano's crater. Boom! Watch the eruption happen right before your eyes. That, my friends, is the power of a chemical reaction. Ever wanted to be a secret agent? Well, here's your chance to send some top-secret messages with invisible ink. All you need is some lemon juice and a paintbrush. Dip the brush in the lemon juice and write your secret message on a piece of paper. Let it dry completely, and it'll look like nothing's there. But wait. Hold the paper over a light bulb, or even the heat from an iron, and watch your message magically appear. Ready to add a splash of color to our experiments? We're about to make a rainbow in a glass. First, grab some honey. That's our base layer. Next, gently pour in some dish soap. Now add a layer of water, being careful not to mix the layers. Finally, top it off with some oil. See how the liquids separate and create distinct layers? That's because of their different densities. It's like magic, but it's really science. Let's get our hands dirty with some slime. This experiment is all about polymers, long chains of molecules. Get ready for some gooey fun. Pour some glue into a bowl and then add a spoonful of baking soda. Mix it all up. And now for the magic ingredient contact lens solution. Slowly add the solution while mixing until your slime starts to come together. Keep mixing and kneading it until you get that perfect slime consistency. Can you make an egg float? Let's find out. Fill a glass with water and gently place an egg in it. Did it sink? Now let's add a little magic, salt. Add a few tablespoons of salt to the water and stir until it dissolves. Carefully place the egg back in the water. Does it float now? Salt water is denser than regular water, making the egg buoyant. And that's a wrap on today's awesome science experiments. Which one was your favorite? Remember, science is everywhere, and it's all about exploring and having fun. If you tried any of these experiments, be sure to share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to SIVASAKTHI School for more awesome content, and I'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and select all for regular updates to reach you.